Well, I really need a new computer chair. And without Computer Cat and without Spider Cat, little Miss Sassy Pants and her sister. Sister does not have a name yet. Little Opal, right here. And there is one of the previous ones that is actually little Bucky. Running all around. Everything ready for the dogs over here. Can't wait to repair this. They just need to stop chewing stuff and then I can actually do that. But I will do it soon. And Diego is, and he heard his name. He is just waking up. Enzo already walking around. And they are doing so great. Mother cat over there. And yes, I've still got my bike standing over there. Still have not touched it. And I just didn't have a chance. And I will be riding it soon. Enzo is taking his daily walk. I'm getting ready to quickly go drop off a couple of things that we've cleaned up over here. Load the bucky. And there it is, waiting for me to just go and drive off and offload all that stuff on the back. So that is what I'm going to be doing right now. These guys are always willing to help, and they really make life much easier. And we're done going back home. And I think the weather is going to turn and be perfect again. I hope that this winter is not that bad. Not only for the animals but also for the people. It becomes a bit much. And well, look at those clouds over there, but they are drifting in the wrong direction. They're drifting north. And the thing is, that means the air is coming from the south, and that's cold air. So let's see what happens. But I am hoping that it will turn and that we will get air from the north, because that will be much warmer. On my way back home, and let me quickly get in here. Always a lot of cars coming down this road this time of the day. Everybody coming from work, trying to get home as easy as possible and as quick as possible. And let's see, where's the tigers? I just have to find my keys first. Window is dirty again, because I haven't used my truck for a while. It was parked in there and we loaded all the stuff, and Diego is the one first. Diego! They are always here to greet me whenever I get back home. Enzo will be walking right about there. Let's see that. There he is. Oh, that's Diego. There's Enzo now. These boys are always happy to see me. And what a pleasure to get home and be greeted by two tigers. So, tigers gonna get fed pretty soon. Closing up here. And I just went to get some cold drinks. I tend to drink quite a lot of cold drink, and I think that replaces a lot of food for me, because I'm always busy drinking cold drink. Tigers would love to see it. And Enzo is naughty. He is just showing Diego that he should be away. that this is his cold drinks if he decides to take it. Although Diego is always the one who is first whenever I have something around. Enzo is just checking it out. He would really like to just take it, because he has before. If you watch some of those older videos of where Enzo is in the house, in the kitchen, he used to just go up to the fridge, open the fridge, and he takes a 2-liter bottle of cold drink. He drops it a few times, and then when he takes it with those teeth, 4 holes instantly, and then he just leaves it to spray the whole kitchen. He's done it so many times, and then he leaves it and he goes for the milk, and then he takes out everything out of the fridge. And I think that is mostly the reason why he does not live inside the house anymore. But I do miss him in the house. I miss him there every single day. It was amazing to have him growing up in the house. But you tend to realize why you cannot keep them there eventually. Okay, I am going to quickly install a heat pad for the little hedgehog. And I've just plugged it in here, and I'm testing it, and I'm just feeling, and it is just a slight heat coming from it. It's going to be perfect for the hedgehog. So I'm just going to wire it in here, put it through a hole in his little cage, and she will be absolutely happy about it. Okay, so heat pad is in. Just putting some newspaper over it, and then ready to bring her over. Just picking her up like that, putting her right down there. I'm not gonna wake her up, just gonna put her down because I think she is kind of hibernating at the moment, but she will sleep really nice there tonight. Arnie, how you find it? Do you like it? No, no. More. As children, we used to eat this, and now he just loves it. I don't know what you call it in your part of the world, but here we call it candy poppers. And I remember as a child I used to call it maan stof. That is moon dust in Afrikaans. Can you believe it? Maan stof. And he's going to eat a whole packet of it. And he loves it. And it's empty. He can't believe it. Could this be true? That it is all finished. Yeah, it's done. If he starts eating the parts on his arm, then you have to know. Okay, so I'm late and I have to defrost the tiger's food, and I'm just taking hot water from here and putting it in there. Yes, it's burning my hand a little. And Duncan sneaked in to the cat's food I'm just going to let him eat a little bit and then take him away. I don't want him to get overweight again, because that's where his problems really start. And he's pretty much done. And on that note, Arnie decides, but there's still 4, now 3 pellets left of vegetarian cat's pellets. And he will just eat them all. Monkeys eating cat food. Dinosaur eggs! Oh no, it's spanspek. Dinosaur eggs! No, only sweet lemons. Dinosaur eggs! No, only coconuts loose. Dinosaur eggs! No, it's only 2 jackfruit. Yes, just to show you her as well. And she is not one to mess with. Just look at the evidence. Okay, and I have decided to show people how many subscribers I do have. All I have to do is click on that little button right there. Let me do it. And there it is. I guess you'll be able to see it once I've saved it. And I've saved it at last. People will be able to see. So easy to control the cats. You just put on the warm blanket and they will show up. And dogs have been making some work for me. They did not think that I have enough work for today. Spider Cat doing absolutely great after his encounter with the tigers. And the 2 boys are ready to start their day. It's a beautiful day. Sun is out. It's warm. I think we're going to have the best winter ever. Well guys, thanks for watching. I've got a lot of work to do. I'm going to get this video together. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.